I'm Andy Wilkins and I'm 64 years old. So today I'm reviewing the Ryobi One Plus 18V cordless jigsaw model RGS 18-0. To start with, putting the blade in the jigsaw, you can see the T on the top. That means that's the blade what fits it. It just locks in, so you pull it back again and put it in. Next I'm going to pop the battery in and we're going to look at the orbital adjustment knob, which is just there. So we have 4 settings from 0 to 3. 0 is for intricate cuttings and 3 for more aggressive cuttings. First I'm going to show you an aggressive cut. I'm going to put the knob onto 3. So then the orbital, then it'll go more, it'll work more, and it'll be a really aggressive cut. I'll just show you how the aggressive cut on here now. Now I'm going to do an intricate cut. I'm going to put it onto 0. Obviously you can find the best between 0 and 3, you can find the best one what suits the job for you. But I'm going to go on 0 now. And I'm going to do a bit of an intricate cut on here. You just watch carefully. And I'm going to cut a little out. The jigsaw here can also cut at angles from 15 to 30 to 45 degrees. I'm going to show you that now. So what I've done is I've already undone the shoe. I've put it on 45, as you can see at the back. There's a little note that tells you there how far it's gone. It's on 45 degrees. I'm going to pop the battery back in. I've tightened it back up. Always take the battery out when you're touching the machine. Back on. Keep it flat to the surface, and then and there you've got the angle cut. This jigsaw doesn't only just cut wood, it'll cut metal, it'll cut plastic, it'll also cut tiles. You just need the right blade for the job. The benefits of a Ryobi jigsaw is that it's cordless, it's got multiple settings for multiple cuts. The Ryobi jigsaw is a great addition to the range. It's light, it's compact, and it does the job you want it to do.